I'm Smita and welcome back to my channel. In previous episode, I have covered south part of Iceland. And as you know, I already started moving towards the east part of Iceland. अगर आप लोगों ने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है, I'm going to put that link over here as well as in description box. Make sure to go and watch that video and let me know your thought about that video in comment section. तो इन दिस ब्लॉग आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू टुवर्ड्स द ईस्ट पार्ट ऑफ आइसलैंड. तो हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया था गेस्ट हाउस से, जहाँ पे हम लोग प्रीवियस नाइट आके स्टे किया था. और हम लोगों ने आज के लिए दो एक्टिविटीज रखी थी. वन इज ग्लेशियर हाइकिंग एंड अनदर वन इज आइस केविंग. तो आइस केविंग जनरली टूर्स जो होते हैं वो नवंबर से लेके अप्रैल के बीच में होते हैं. और वो एक्टिविटीज हम लोगों ने पहले से प्रीवियसली बुक करके रखी थी और उसका टाइम स्लॉट था कुछ 9:30 AM इन द मॉर्निंग. तो लास्ट नाइट वी रिसीव्ड अ मेल सेइंग दैट इट गॉट पोस्टपोन टू 12:30 PM बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर चेंज. आइस केविंग और ग्लेशियर हाइकिंग एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए आपको योकुलसरलाम ग्लेशियर लोगों के यहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो आपको स्कैप्टाफेल के यहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा. तो वहाँ पे जाके यू आर गोइंग टू मीट द एक्सपर्ट गाइड और वो आपको लेके जाएगा टूवर्ड्स द वाकनायोकुल नेशनल पार्क. तो आप बहुत सारे साइट से ये टूर्स बुक कर सकते हो. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दैट डिटेल इनटू द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
Morning guys, every day we had to leave early, so we hardly get a chance to really show you what we used to have in breakfast. Some places we had our own and some places we got like this. Today we are starting our day little late, so we are little relaxed. It was about 45 minutes drive with rains from Yokutsarlon. We did a hike to reach this place. We were surrounded by the majestic scenery and experienced the power of living glacier. The very first time I was experiencing the giant glacial mass, which was only seen in movies and heard about it.
And this is an outlet glacier from the main glacier Vatnajökull. And Vatnajökull is the biggest glacier in Iceland, also the biggest glacier in Europe, and also the third biggest glacier in the world. Huge, covering about 9% of the whole country. Just this glacier, Vatnajökull.
Europe's largest glacial mass, and the first thought came into my mind was Interstellar movie. The beautiful nature and the dramatic scenery makes the Iceland the perfect filming location for all sort of movies and the TV shows. Outside of Hollywood, this glacier is a favorite spot for glacier hikers of all experience levels. Next, we further moved towards the ice cave. While going to the ice cave, weather was already quite gloomy and dark. The ice caves are incredibly rare phenomena that required very specific conditions to form. They are only accessible in winter months. Meltwater creates these natural ice tunnels with sunlight filtering through the ice, giving them a blue tint. Iceland's crystal ice cave can be difficult to reach, so you will need to hire a guide. For safety reason, you can only visit them in the winter, when ice has hardened up and the risk of collapse is low. After visiting Skaptafell, we visited one of the most recognizable sites along the Iceland's ring road, the Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon and the Diamond Beach. Something magical for me, unlike anything I have seen. The icebergs are stunningly beautiful and this lagoon is breathtaking. Many pieces of ice broken from the glacier floating in the lagoon. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon is photographer's paradise. I was in heaven during my visit in November. In the morning, weather was harsh and terrible, and now you see weather is completely clear, sunny towards the end of the day. First and most obviously, the ice is jaw-droppingly beautiful. We really enjoyed walking along the shore and viewing the icebergs. The Glacier Lagoon was so amazing. I love the place and I personally recommend this place for everyone to visit. Also remember that the glaciers is every day different and is changing all the time. It is such an out of the world experience. I have never seen such a color, the crystal blue of the iceberg, in my life.
कट जाए रस्ते जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे खुशी मिले गम बदलेंगे ना
Not many people visit to this eastern part of Iceland. Only few can able to make it. Most of the people visit till the south part of Iceland. Though even this part of Iceland don't have many tourist destination, it offers you breathtaking narrow fjords, emptiness, remoteness along the seaside. Trust me, you are going to love this part of the journey forever.
ये जो पैच है जहाँ से आप योकुलसरलॉन ग्लेशियर लगून छोड़ोगे उसके आगे आगे आपको हॉफ मिलेगा। जैसे ही आप हॉफ क्रॉस करके आगे जाओगे यू आर ओनली गोइंग टू बी ड्राइव फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग स्ट्रेच बिकॉज योकुलसरलॉन से जो सेदिसफोर्ड या इग्लिसतदिर का जो डिस्टेंस है विच इज सम अराउंड 348 किलोमीटर एंड दैट टेक्स almost like 4.5 hours. Of course we took a break in between. I think so we stopped twice in between और हम लोगों को कुछ लगे योकुल सरलॉन से और इगली सदिर पहुंचने के लिए. As you have seen in pictures, it was already dark, so we were quite late because of our tour timings. I want to tell you something over here. What we did a mistake over here. Instead of staying on the route number 1, which is Ring Road, we decided to take a left on route number 939 because it was quite dark and we thought we could save some time and we will reach early. But we were not aware of that route. That was completely the gravel road.
And your wings in the sky tonight. I'm sitting on a rock and watching heron fly. Feet in the water, alpha wave. It has been such a beautiful day. A beautiful day. A beautiful day. I'm waiting for the stars to show. I'm waiting for the fire to glow. Feet in the water, half asleep.
Next morning after having breakfast, we started driving towards the north part of this country. और अब तक की जर्नी आप लोगों ने जो देखी है साउथ से लेके जैसे ही हम लोग ईस्ट आइसलैंड की तरफ आए, जो बीच में जो कंप्लीट लॉन्ग स्ट्रेच पैच है, यू आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय दैट, ट्रस्ट मी. और हम लोगों ने वो बहुत एंजॉय किया. दैट वाज द मेमोरेबल ड्राइव टिल द डेट. तो जैसे ही आप ईस्ट साइड में आओगे और ईस्ट साइड छोड़ोगे नॉर्थ साइड में जाओगे, यू विल सी फर्दर कि वेदर चेंज कैसे होता है. एंड दैट आई एम गोइंग टू कवर माय नेक्स्ट व्लॉग ऑफ नॉर्थ आइसलैंड. सो गाइस, आई एम क्लोजिंग दिस व्लॉग ओवर हियर एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, लेट मी नो इन अ कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड कीप ट्रैवलिंग, कीप वॉचिंग एंड सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम.
Whoa, I might have taken the easy way out, but it doesn't matter now. It doesn't matter now.